Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the installation that we've carried out on the absolutely stunning Mclaren 720s owned by Living Life Fast. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Otherwise, we're going to be heading around the install, showing you guys how the product works. It's a product called Target Blue Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that picks up marked and unmarked cars. Now that's got your attention. Let's go. So the system that we've got on here, first one, we'll be talking you through a product called Target Blue Eye. We've actually launched it already on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and keep up to date with future videos. But basically in that video, I go through the whole product, the unboxing, plus how the product actually works in a lot more detail. Today's video is talking about this vehicle, how we've installed it and what's gone on with Ricky from Living Life Fast. In terms of the system that we've got, it's a product called Target Blue Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that picks up marked and unmarked cars. It's around about sort of 80 to 95% accurate in terms of how it picks up. Basically, we've got an antenna located just behind the eyes of the car right at the front, and that runs physical cable run into the vehicle. That then goes into a control box that's basically installed inside the vehicle, and then what that goes to is a mirror on this occasion. So normally you've got the Target Blue Eye standard display. However, on this occasion we've gone to the next level, like we've done on plenty of other cars. Live videos already live on our YouTube channel. Basically what we've done is integrated that Target Blue Eye display into the factory mirror. This is the factory Mclaren mirror that we worked on. Basically removed that mirror, taken apart the actual Target Blue Eye display in the PCB board, remolded that into the mirror, allowed the LED lights to shine through that mirror and fully integrated in. It's absolutely insane. I've actually done that on my own car, the Ford Mustang GT demo car. That is here live for you guys to see at all times. But that's all been done professionally installed. So it's a really, really cool bit of kit. If you're interested in one of these products, make sure you check out our website, targetblueye.co.uk. Plus, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms and we're more than happy to go through everything. But if you want a bit more technical information about the product, that other video that we've done, unboxing and explanation of how the product works, that's the one for you guys. So make sure you go check that out. In terms of the other product that we've added in, it's a product called Laser Track. Basically what Laser Track is an automatic gate opening system. On this car, we've got two sensors on the front of the vehicle. We also do a full number plate surround as well, which will be going on to other vehicles coming up in the near future. We've already got those videos live on our YouTube as well for other installs we've done of them. But in terms of this system, you drive up to your gate, it automatically opens. It's a really, really effective bit of kit. If you're interested in Laser Track alongside Target Blue Eye, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a line on any of our social media platforms.